Okay, today I'm working on a 2000 Dodge Ram 1500 van. I'll be installing a two-way keyless entry and remote start only unit. Other than that, move on to the next video. Okay, I have everything put back on. Basically just to remove it, this pops off. Two screws right here. This would pop off, but there's one screw down here, right here, right here, and the whole thing just pops off. Like I said earlier, this is a handicap accessible vehicle, so this has to come off if you ever encounter one of these. Other than that, this whole thing would just slide out and then pretty much install everything. Okay, to get started, excuse me, all your power accessory, ignition, 12 volt will be on this wire. So you can see I already got everything tapped. There should be 5 wires that you need from there. The parking light wire, it's a positive signal. The wire is black and yellow, which is right here. There's going to be 2 of them coming out. You can just use one. For your door locks, it'll be a positive trigger. So you're going to have to use a negative to positive converter. The door lock wires will be on this plug. Along with that, the brake wire would be right here. I don't usually use T-taps, but at this point, it's pretty hard to get to. So you have no choice but to use T-taps on this one. If you can do soldering it, hey, more power to you. But in this case, I just use the T-tap, and that's about the only one I had to use it in. Other than that, that's pretty much the only thing you need for a 2000 Dodge Ram van. Next video. Okay, I have everything pretty much put back on. As you can see, this is a handicap accessible vehicle. So you kind of got to make sure that no wires getting kinked or getting cut from all these metal, because as you can see, these are all cut to accommodate the add-on to this vehicle. Okay, everything is installed. Pretty much like this is the unit that's just keyless entry and remote start, no alarm. That pretty much locked it, unlocked it, remote start. There she is. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and subscribe for more videos. If you have anything that you want for me to do that's a how-to, leave a message and I'll try to do that as well for you. Other than that, enjoy.